In front of me is ALCATEL 1T 10 Smart 2020, and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen view. You need to begin by opening one of your apps that you wish to use in this view. In my case, Play Store. Now access it in the background. In order to do that, click on this square button. And following that, to continue, click on this icon of an app at the top. Now click on Split Screen and select any other app. I will go with Chrome. As you can see, finally, I can use both of them at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps to the side and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!